When you're in a high-growth company, opportunity just comes right at you. And so you have a great opportunity to grow inside the organization.
I definitely didn't think that my internship would be so hands-on, and I love that it is.
They immediately put you on the team and immediately made you feel welcome, and so I was set up for success first day.
Our hiring managers really value our interns, so they take the time to really build that personal relationship with their interns through regularly scheduled one-on-ones, making sure they understand their career goals.
If it's something that you're interested in, it gives you the opportunity to learn the basics in the internship and take that and apply it here at JB Hunt.
I've grown so much over the past month and a half here. I'm constantly learning about new things.
I found that I really have learned how to go out the corporate world and how to talk to people, how to ask questions.
The greatest thing I've learned is just how to collaborate with a team and work with others and support each other. And really, I've learned the type of company I want to work at when I move into my full-time career.
They don't expect you to know everything. It's just a learning experience. And I think it offers a really well-rounded and real-world experience that would be beneficial to anybody.
You meet a lot of different people. It's a lot of fun. You'll learn a lot of things that you definitely won't learn in school.
As an intern going into a really big company like this that can be very intimidating, JB Hunt has definitely taught me that it's okay to be uncomfortable and it's okay to put yourself out there.
We've had a few professional perspectives series with different JB Hunt leadership.
You get to make a lot of connections. A lot of people you've probably seen around, but you haven't really talked to them.
Even the first day, we did a little just like get to know each other thing. And most people I talked to weren't from Northwest Arkansas. I had no clue that just so many people like love to come work here.
They invest in you the same as they would invest in their employees. The projects I'm working on are things that full-time employees work on, and you really get a unique experience to understand what it's like to apply your major to industry.
For me, going forward, I'm so grateful for this company.